All right, what up, y'all? So we back. It's a vet day. We are on flat, so time to see if we can figure out where this hole is. We'll go ahead and jack this up, get the wheel off, and see what we got. All right, so when you're jacking up Corvettes, you want to get one of these pucks. Here we go. Can you see? There you go. So it goes right off in that. Push it up in there, twist it so it's locked. That is your jacking point. Alright, car's up. I always put a jack stand under there. Let's get this wheel off. Alright, so wheel is off. We got us a nail right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull this out and see if I can plug it. Technically, well, I guess it's kind of in the good. It's not supposed to be plugging anything past this point. It's on the line, so we're gonna call it good, but just to get a couple miles out of this before I have to replace both the back tires. But let's see what we can do. All right, so y'all missed it, but vice grips, got it out. This was a little screw, so yeah, let's see if we got some plugs here, and let's try to plug it. All right, so found the issue. It wasn't the spot that had the screw, which is crazy, but this is another hole. So the spot with the screw wasn't leaking air, it just had a screw in it, but it was a small screw. This is where my leak is coming from. So a little soapy water help you pinpoint that leak. So time to let some of this air out so I can safely plug this thing. All right, so we finally got this hole going, roughing it up with this, pull this out, and I already got the plug on this, so drop this in, get it even, pull it out quick enough to where you leave just the plug. All right, and that is that. Tire is full. No air coming out of that little hole anymore, so we are done for this part of the day. Still got some more cleanup stuff to do on this, trying to get it back in shape. So yeah, stick around, don't mind the dogs, but yeah, I'll be back.